Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about a strength training program or a strength training exercise called as squats. Now squats definitely makes for any exercise protocol or any exercise program which requires you to strengthen your muscles or to strengthen the body in general. But can this exercise be done during pregnancy as well? Well, the answer is yes. One can do squats during pregnancy and one should do squats during pregnancy because it has so many benefits for the mother and also aids in the labor process. And this is exactly what we're going to talk and discuss in today's video, because when done during pregnancy phase, they require certain modifications and certain variations so that you do not harm yourself and your baby in any possible way. So if you want to know more about this, let's begin. Now let's quickly go through some of the conditions in which squats should ideally be avoided. So if you have any of these, ideally you should not be doing squats and avoid them.
If you have excessive pain, if there is a low-lying placenta, if the baby is in a breech position after 30 weeks of your pregnancy, if there is a risk of preterm birth, or if you feel overall heaviness in your pelvic area. If it is your first time that you are doing squats, you always keep a support behind you so that you can actually sit on it while going into the squat position. The height should be adjustable as per your comfort, and when you squat down, touch with the back of your thigh and maintain your balance throughout. Make sure that you are inhaling when you are going down and you exhale or you breathe out when you come up. You can keep your hands stretched out in front of you, or you can keep them in a namaskar position or folded in front of you. Always take care of the breathing pattern. When you go down in the squat position, if you are not comfortable enough, you can sit down as well. And once you have mastered this art, then you can start with wall slides, initially using a pillow, and slide slowly downwards to go into the squat position. It is not necessary that you will go into full squats at the first attempt itself. So bend slowly. And if you have an exercise or a birthing ball, you can always make use of the same as well while doing with the wall slides. Now this is a low intensity weight training exercise, and the weight here is basically the weight of your own body. So do not bend too much. Bend slowly, bend at a less angle initially, and then you can gradually increase the bending portion. If you do not want to do any of these or you're not comfortable, you can always take the support of a railing or any grill in your house that can support your complete weight. Start with this initially with less number of repetitions and then gradually increase the number of repetitions. But make sure that you always have a really good grip throughout while doing this exercise. Now, doing a squat during pregnancy has so many benefits. It is a good way to stretch and align your pelvic region during the pregnancy. It is an excellent birthing position. It also helps descend your baby further into the pelvis or engages the baby. It helps in inducing the labor, prevents constipation, improves your balance and your posture along with your breathing coordination. This can be done in any trimester of pregnancy, but we gradually increase the intensity. Do not go for very deep squats during the first trimester of your pregnancy, and from the second trimester onwards we can gradually increase the depth of these squats and the intensity as well. So in the first trimester, take care of your posture, maintain a good balance, and then start doing the squat position. If you feel any kind of discomfort that we have discussed earlier, you should stop immediately. Now in the second trimester, now because your belly has started growing, you have to widen your legs a little more, make more base of support for yourself, and then go into the squatting position to accommodate your growing belly. And the breathing rule stays same. That is, you will be breathing in when you are going down and you will be breathing out when you will be coming up. In the final or the third trimester, you will be having the widest base of support, so your legs will be turned out. Now it is also that time when you will be having the maximum weight. You might experience certain knee discomfort at this stage as well. So you can keep your hands on your knees while you are going down and push with your hands while you come up. Squats are a good exercise to maintain the strength in your leg core and your pelvic floor muscles. They open the hip and the pelvic region to maintain mobility. They relieve your low back pain and maintain your balance and coordination throughout your pregnancy.
So that's it in today's video. If you like our video, then please like it, share it with someone who might find it useful, and do subscribe to our channel for supporting us. Till then, be happy, be safe, and we'll see you soon in our next video.